Hi friends! Welcome to the South Padre Island Sea Turtle Art Scavenger Hunt. In order to bring awareness to the protection of sea turtles, South Padre Island teamed up with Sea Turtles Inc. and created the Sea Turtle Art Trail. It's a collection of 10 sea turtle sculptures, each painted by a local artist. We were told at the visitor center that if we bring back pictures of all 10, we'd get a prize. So we took our bikes and our map and set off to find all 10.
Alright, starting at the visitor center. Going for a treasure hunt.
The first one we visited was at the beach resort.
Is it supposed to be inside?
Meet Liberty, made to commemorate the fallen and current first responders. The artist is Christina Salazar.
Did we get turtle number 1? Alright, let's continue. There it goes.
We headed over to Beach Water Park for the next turtle.
It'll be right here. There it is. Here's the turtle. Here's the turtle.
Meet Isla. She depicts the beauty of living on the island. The artists are mother and daughter, Beth and Chelsea Fedigan. The next turtle was at the South Padre Island Chamber of Commerce. Meet Rosie. She represents relaxation, appreciating life, and remembering to stop and smell the roses. The artist is Cecilia Garza.
Cool. What's the cool one? Let's go kingfisher or something now.
Our fourth turtle was waiting for us at the Art Business Incubator. Meet Miracle, a depiction of the entire life cycle of the sea turtle, from the nesting sand to making their way into the ocean. The artist is Sandy Margaret. Now we're heading to the South Padre Island Community Center.
We found it.
Meet Crush, a depiction of dogs underwater and represents the artist's personal love of dogs. The artist is Chelsea Fedigan. The next few turtles were a little further away, so we hopped into the van and drove to the convention center for the next one. Meet Luna, representing land and sea, and the endless miles a sea turtle travels. The artist is Ariel King. Next door at the Sea Turtles Inc. is Coral, featuring a mermaid tenderly holding a baby turtle. The artist is Beth Fedigan. Across the street at the Turtle Island souvenir shop is Tank, the largest turtle art on the island. The bright colors represent all the fun you can have on South Padre Island. The next day, we visited the final two.
So here we are.
Here we are,
Looking for our
ninth turtle.
ninth turtle. Perfect. Oh, where we're supposed to find them? Oh, what Lucy? Meet Lucy.
Just outside the Sea Ranch restaurant sits Lucy, made from locally sourced mesquite. The artist is Andy Hancock. And finally, just inside the South Padre Island Visitor Center, we found indigo, whose beautiful blue colors were inspired by the ocean. The artist is Christina Salazar. As you can see, I collected my prize. It was a fun way to explore the island. Thanks for watching!